today I will discuss measures of central tendency, specifically the mean, median, and mode. These statistical tools help us understand and analyze data by identifying the center or most typical value in a set of information. So our objectives is the end of the presentation. We should be able to define mean, median, and mode. Solve problems involving central tendency, and last is interpret the result correctly. So let's try to answer our example 1, which is number of milk teas sold in 7 days, 15, 20, 18, 22, 20, 25, 20. We will use this data to find the mean, median, and mode. First is yung mean. The definition of mean is the average of all values. Our formula here is mean is equals to summation of x divided by n. So here is our solution. First, let's just add the given numbers, which is yung 15, 20, 18, 22, 20, 25, 20. So pag inad lahat yan, ang kalalabasan ay 140. Ang kalalabasan ay 140. After natin ma-add yan, is i-divide natin siya ngayon sa n natin, which is kung ilan yung number natin, which is yung 15, 20, and so on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, since 7 siya, i-divide natin yung summation of x sa n. 140 divided by 7 is equals to 20. So, our mean is 20. Yeah. So, yung mean natin is 20. Next naman na sasagutan natin is yung median ng given problem natin. First is yung definition ng ating median. The median is the middle value when data is arranged in order. First, we arrange the values from lowest to highest. The arranged data are 15, 18, 20, 20, 20, 22, 25. Our median is 20. Since there are 7 values, the middle value is the fourth number. 1, 2, 3, 4, which means yung 20, yung ating median. Since siya yung nasa pinakagitna ng given problem natin. So, ang mode naman is the value that appears most often. In our arranged data, the number 20 appeared 3 times, while the other numbers appeared only once. Therefore, the mode is 20 since siya ang pinakamaraming naulit na number. So let's interpret the result. Our mean is 20, and the median is also 20. And the mode. The average and most common milk tea sales per day is 20. So, based sa computed natin kanina sa mga result, This means that a typical number of milk teas sold per day is around 20 cups. The data also shows consistency because all three measures produce the same value. Next is the importance of central tendency. The measure of central tendency are important because they help summarize the large amounts of data into simpler information. They are commonly used in business, education, research, surveys, service, surveys, surveys, and daily life. This measure helps people make better decisions based on data. Our conclusion is the mean is the average. The average value, mean represents the middle value, and mode represents the most frequently occurring value. These measures are useful in analyzing and interpreting data effectively. This activity helped me understand how statistics are used in real-life situations. I learned how to compute and interpret mean, median, and mode properly. So, this is the end of my presentation. Thank you for listening.